Welcome back to my channel. Today we are introducing OnePlus. Now we can go into courier office and pick it up the phone.
Check it out. Check it
First, remove the plastic seal. As soon as we open the box, we can see the phone. Let's see in details what's next in the box. Here is the next cover. Let's open what's in it. We can see a transparent flexible cover and a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, stickers, warranty cards, etc. Next, here is the 5V 2A power adapter. And C-type red cable. Let's come back to the phone. Wow, guys, it's very beautiful blue white color and very slim. I am so impressed. Below we can see the 3.5mm jack and USB Type-C port. And good thing about this is that the screen guard is also provided. Now let's boot the phone. Here you can see the OnePlus logo when you are boot the phone. The phone is booting. Just a few minutes take to boot. Yeah, finally the phone has booted with an amazing animation. Let's check some photos from OnePlus Nord CE. The features of OnePlus Nord end here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.
out.